All right, guys, so now we're going to get into the wrench transition, okay? So we usually talk about this, right? There are 4 basic wrench in JKD or in the curriculum that we teach, right? You have one is going to be the kicking wrench, which means I am in the wrench when I just can comfortably kick him, right? But I'm not quite in the punching wrench just yet, right? When I take that step forward, this allows me to enable my shots, right? So now I'm in the punching wrench. When I take another step forward right here, that can go into a trapping wrench, elbow wrench, right? Or the knee wrench, right? And the very last wrench enables me to go for a takedown. So that's what we call the grappling wrench. Now, let's just say that my partner goes a little further than the kicking wrench. If he were to able to come in and try to kick me or punch, right? He won't be able to because I'm too far. If he would just kind of step in, I'm going to step away. So that kind of cuts off a distance. So for the wrench transition, this is what we use. This is called PIA, which stands for Progressive Indirect Attack. So the very first one, he's going to fake me high with the buji, right? So you're going to fake high. If I respond to this, he's going to kick me low, right? So we're going to do the entry one more time. So again, fake high and kick low. That's number one. Even if he shovels in, I'm going to do this and back up. Notice the difference? So that's number one. Number two, he's going to fake low high and now tag. Low high and now tag. You notice how my body kind of chases in just a little bit, and he's going to kick on my instep. Just know that realistically, he's going to kick into my groin, okay? So this is what we call pinchoi, guachoi, so low and high, and now tag. Okay, that's number two. Number three, he's going to step back just a little further away. Now he's going to go into high, low, high. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Typically, I might be this close too, right? High, low, high. I might go like this and see my body start going back because I'm trying to move away from him, right? So that's the 3 different levels, right? So one more time. Number one, fake high, then he kicks low. Number two, he fake low, high, then he kick low. Number three, he goes high, low, high, then he kicks low. And you will notice that the fake does not look like this. Right? You do not want to retract your hand. You're going to use your body and project at all time, right? So that's going to be 3 levels. Now, when you start playing with this drill, you can always go into the combinations. So, for instance, let's take combination 1. He fakes high, he kick low, then he goes cross across, then the now tag, right? And you can take that into consideration for many other sets of combinations that you want to present, okay? So, one more time, he fake high, then kick low. That's the first one. Number 2, low, high, low, high. Notice how he bends down. And the very last one, high, low, high, just like that, and entry. So these are the 3 variations on the PIA from the curriculum. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to respond to you guys. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week.